how to unfriend people fast in Roblox. So if you are like me who have been playing and then you can see that you have accumulated some friends and you want to remove them all together and easily, I'm going to show you how to do that. First things first, go ahead and click the see all button in here, and normally you'll have to click their profile and then remove it from here or unfriend them from here, but this time I'm going to show you how to make it easy. First things first, go ahead and search for Chrome Web Store here on Google, and then you're going to go ahead and open this one. So from here, you are going to type Roblox friend removal button, just like so, and then I'm going to go ahead and click this one right here, and basically we are going to add this to our Chrome. Let's go ahead and make sure that it's here, and we're going to go back here. Now I'm going to go ahead and refresh this one. After refreshing, you can see that there is this new button in here. Basically, that's what you're going to press if you want to unfriend them. I'm going to show you this one. So I'm going to click this, and you can see that now it's gone, and you can see that my friend is now only 9. I'm going to do it one more time. I'm going to click this. All right, there you go. So yep, that is how it works, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.